Hey, Anthony here, and if you want to make over $10,000 a month and you're building a service-based company, then this video is for you, my friend. And you're building a personal brand, damn it, then you are the right place. Yeah, I know, okay, because I'm doing exactly this for myself. I'm documenting the journey actually to go from absolutely zero to no money in the bank to 10K a month personal profits and going way over that. Okay. And right now I'm building on X, a newsletter, an email list, and then obviously on YouTube right now. And my business is to help consultants, creators with their outreach. Okay. If they have a high ticket offer, for example, I do everything for them and I get them sales. Okay. And so that's what I do. That's my business. So this is marketing. This is what I love to do the most because I believe copywriting, writing, speaking, selling, and talking to people, providing great value is one of the best things because that's something I'm naturally, not naturally because obviously you're not born with it, but I'm pretty much inclined towards it. And naturally I developed some skills in speaking, writing, copywriting, all of that stuff. So that's pretty normal for me and natural to do so. And if you are building a personal brand, I do recommend that you go on X if those if your audience is actually full of AI guy, technological guy, or simply business owners, entrepreneurs, info, all that stuff. There's a lot of people doing business over here, and this is the best platform to write and to just also get paid for it, because X at some point gets you to be paid for that, to just create content daily. Anyway, so yeah, it's day 53 today of me documenting my journey. And I know at first I wanted to record every single day, but it's fine. At least the most important part right now, and for you as well, it's my own advice, is the only difference between you right now and the you in the future, which is going to be making so much money, is consistency. And it's you not fucking giving up on what you are actually doing right now. It may not be the perfect thing. It may not be the perfect business, but who cares? Because at some point, okay, you will win. If, for example, let's say on X, I were to increase my followers account by just one a day, okay? Fine. 3 years afterwards, I will be at 1K followers. It's better than nothing, okay? And maybe at 1K, I will get rewards, financial rewards through X. And I will start making money by it, all right? Even if I don't have a product to sell. So the only thing is time and consistency. If you keep showing up, if you keep doing what you do, there's no way you cannot win, actually. No way, absolutely no way. Because, yeah, and this is what I started to feel like. I recorded over 50 videos on YouTube, and right now I've got 11 subscribers. It didn't move, okay? And I mean, I get nobody to watch me at all, almost, okay? 1, 2, 3 friends watching me, yeah. But external audiences, none. It's fine, because at first I don't do it for the people. I do it just to document my journey, to have a trace on it, and yeah, to just make sure that I produce results and that I actually can show you some, some ground, some stuff. And so it pushes me, it makes me more productive. So that's why I actually decided to do it. And I wanted to do it, just daily, right? Because of this nature of allowing me to be more productive. Since I did not do that every single day, because right now it's 90 days in the process and I've recorded 55 videos. So there is kind of a gap right here. But the thing is, if I started to just think, you know what, who cares? Who's going to watch these videos anyway? And it's just so much not of a good use of my time. If I started to think like that, doubts would just start to creep in and I would not get the results that I know I will be getting, whether on YouTube or on X on my business, right? So the real most important part right now is for you to not give up, okay? Even when you have a little bit of low, of downs, it's fine. Just keep going, just keep doing it, and at some point it will add up. It will produce some crazy thing. Okay, and all you need is 6 to 12 months of locked in. You can actually go from minus 8,000 to actually plus 100. Okay, you can just shift your life completely in a matter of months. And please do not believe that because you have or you are right now in a situation of disaster, that it will stay the same. You will laugh about it, so laugh today. Okay, and that's right. So anyway, I started to work with some clients right now, and at the moment I cannot handle so much. So I've got 5 clients and one that we have been seeing some really cool progress. And because we're moving fast with this client, and because I get paid on commissions, okay? If I get my clients some results, if I get my clients some sales, then I get some percentage, some commission out of it. And I take 50% actually. So right now his offer is like 5K, okay? And we have been on 2 calls already. It hasn't been a week since we are working together, and we have done crazy stuff, refining his offer, defining stuff, very clear path. And right now targeting hundreds of leads, and we have like answers today, like a dozen every single day, and it's going very fast. I'm very happy about it, and I believe that this is going to be the client which is going to bring me over 5 to 10K a month, five easily, but 10K maybe through my other clients, obviously, because those are great people I'm working with. But this guy has a good business, and he has like 7,000 followers, so it's pretty good indeed. And it's very easy, you know, when you work with some people that already have some audience, some social proof, okay, to sell your product. It's super easy then. And the way I do that, and the way I now start to get results, is only because I have been consistent, and is only because I have started to build my personal brand. And yes, right now I'm close to 500 followers on X. It's not so much, but also something I just realized is I have seen some friends of mine that I knew before, years ago, and they had no audience and no followers and no nothing, okay? And right now they have millions of followers on their YouTube channels or Instagram channels, okay? It's crazy. And I'm like, how the heck do you do that? It's wild. Yeah, because they are in the entertainment business, okay? So it's a little bit more subjective virality. So do not compare yourself to people that are in a way different spectrum, in a way different niche, that are getting more results than you. It's fine, because followers is just a vanity metric, okay? It doesn't mean that you are doing actually money. At some point, yes, of course you do, but it doesn't determine how much you make. And the key point here is whether you have few followers or big followers is not about the followers, it's about the customers, okay? How do you turn your followers into customers? How do you make your audience to pay you? And you can have 10K on X, it doesn't matter, okay? Because some people, may have 10K on X and they just are being paid like 1 or 2K a month, right? But there are some people with just 500 followers and they are making a shit ton of money. It's always about the systems that you are creating to make sure that it converts into customers, okay? You are talking to the right audience, you are delivering a great service or great product to the right people, and your product and service is not just great, it's also useful, it's also resolving some pains and problems. It's also really useful for the people, okay? Not just in your head that you think it's going to be great. No, it has to to pinpoint some key pain. Build an audience on X or whatever and be consistent, okay? Build systems that really allows you to turn your followers into customers. You've got to do everything, and yes, this is hard, and do not believe this narrative of people telling you that you should not work like almost 16 hours a day, 12 hours a day, okay? Don't ruin your health, obviously. Protect your sleep, it's massively important, but as long as you sleep good, you eat good, you train a little bit, you get sunlight at least a little bit per day, then you should work definitely like 12 hours a day, like every single day, and take no day off if you are not at $10,000 a month already, okay? And this is what I do, okay? I'm a proof of living. I work 12, 14, sometimes 16 hours a day. Those are rare days, I'm gonna be honest. But most of the time it's between 12 and 13, and 13. So, and I take no day off. Yeah, I took one day off, for Easter. One day off since the beginning of January. And it's fun. And I know it takes time. It's okay, it's all right. It's okay not to get money the first month or the first 2 months. Yeah. Some growth are just like 0, 0, 0, and then boom. And that's what you can have, actually. Anyway, that's right. I hope that was insightful for you, inspiring, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, build something really that people need. Create systems around it. Be very strategic with the content that you are posting. And do not do just random stuff, okay? Be very precise. Be consistent. If you don't see any results for like 1 year, who freaking cares? There's people not seeing results for 20 years. And they have not given up. And then, right now, they are the most renowned people on the planet. And you wonder how the heck did it happen? This overnight success? No. It went like for 19 years in between, like under the tunnel, They could not see the daylight. And they worked their ass off. But it pays off. And you don't need like to be a billionaire, okay? You just need 6 to 12 months for you to make 10 to 20K a month. And then you can scale, and then you can delegate, and then you can really do something proper, okay? I wish you the best. That was Anthony.